Being the Deputy Attorney General is a challenging job. I think that what makes it challenging is the breadth of responsibilities that this department has, and trying to make sure that we're doing the job and doing the job right. Make sure that we're enforcing the criminal law, but we're respecting people's rights. My fundamental role and what the people who work with me are supposed to do is to assist the Attorney General in managing this department. So whether it's white-collar crime, gangs, civil rights violations, antitrust violations, environmental crimes, tax fraud, there's a whole range of threats that this department's responsible to address, and we work hard every day to do that. Fighting crime is an incredibly important central part of the job that I'm very excited about. We have to be smart and we have to be tough on crime. But it also means making sure that we're doing justice. Fighting crime doesn't mean just getting prosecutions. It means having the right criminal laws, having the right sentencing policies, having the right rehabilitation programs to help people stay out of the criminal justice system. And this department has to do all of those things. We have an obligation to enforce the law independently, according to its terms, according to the facts that we're presented with, and according to the letter of the law and the Constitution, without regard for partisan consideration or inappropriate influence. In coming years, it's critically important that this department do really two fundamental things. First, we have to continue with job one, which is protecting the national security, keeping America safe from its foreign enemies. And that's a big job here at the department. But at the same time we're doing that, the second big task is to reinvigorate the traditional roles of this department: fighting crime, protecting rights, protecting the economy, protecting the environment, and the related tasks that really can be summed up in the term justice.
Good morning. I'm David Ogden, and I have the great privilege to serve as the Deputy Attorney General.
That's what the Attorney General and I are very focused on and working very hard to do, is to reinvigorate that traditional side of the department. And I'll measure my success by this department's success at doing those things.